guess what? Like all old cars, it breaks. Now it looks okay. You touch it and there it is. No more visibility for you. Can't really push it up. It also moves to the right. It hits the mirror. You pull it up and yeah. That's a goner. But got a new one! Yay! iFixit toolkits. Not only handy for fixing laptops, but also handy in the car. Can't get this bloody thing off. Guessing this takes two hands. We'll have to put the phone down now. So with some force I got that cap off. It really shows you two screws. Let's get them out. First one's out. Move the visor to the other side. Let's see if we can get this one out as well. Yay, there it comes. So let's hope that there is enough wire. Yes. Oh, let's be extra careful. I don't have a spare screw, so need to get that screw out there. Yeah, good. There's the screw. Disconnecting this plug, putting the new Sun Visor in. I'll see you in a minute. Again, just a small advice. There's a little, I think, push point here that you need to push in with something to get it out. Oh, yeah, definitely. So we need to push that in and to get it out. I'll need two hands again. So yeah, again, the iFixit toolkit comes with some nice prying tools. Push things in, push things out. Ta-da! It got out. Let's disconnect the new one, which is, sadly to say, not as clean as my original one, but hey, at least I don't have a sun visor that just falls down anymore. So yeah, let's connect it up. Okay. Well, it decided to turn on the flash. Well, that might not be bad. So let's see. That pops up. You can see it's a little bit dirty, but okay. That pops down correctly. So let's put the little plastic cover back on. Oh jeez, I'm not filming that part. Yeah, let's just put it on there. Oh, okay, the other way around. Apparently this is a one-way thing. So yeah, there you go. One new working sun visor, the same as the other one. Well, yeah, it's a bit dirty here. Shows up worse on camera than it is in real life, but okay. So the next question is, do the vanity lights work? Oh my god, I can see myself. Yay, it works!